foundation repair tip of the day. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So continuing on our segment of what constitutes for a bad foundation, today we're going to talk about horizontal cracks in a foundation or in a footing. So if you see a horizontal crack, something that runs parallel with the house or with the footing, more than likely it's a crack caused by the steel inside the footing actually expanding or having moisture being absorbed in it, rusting, and as the rebar rusts, it actually expands and it'll push that concrete out, causing a horizontal crack. 9 times out of 10, that's what causes those horizontal cracks. Those can be patched as long as they aren't too far gone, and there's means and methods to repair the rebar where you don't have to get a whole new footing. Like I said, as long as you take care of it as quickly as possible and just don't let it fester and think that it's magically going to fix itself. If you have these signs or symptoms, please give us or any other foundation repair specialist a call, and we'll be glad to come out, take a look at it, and give you some remedies for it. And that's your foundation repair tip of the day. Nice. Gunshot out.